Are your gains gone overnight? Are you bleeding losses? Are you staring at a screen, wondering, is this the right time to buy or am I walking into a trap? Hi, this is Wilfred Ling, the Wealth Advisory Director with Financial Alliance. I help my clients retire full decade earlier than planned with the peace of mind and total freedom. No guessing, no gambling. But today, I need to address the elephant in the room. 7 April 2025, Monday morning, you woke up to chaos in the markets. The headlines scream, bloodbath in Asia. Japan crashes over 7%. STI plunges more than 7%. Hang Seng Index nosedive 13%. Fan favorites like Alibaba, BYD down 18% and 16% in a single day. What just happened? President Trump has imposed a devastating worldwide tariff and China struck back with the exact same blow. This economic tug-of-war is no longer just about politics. It's threatening your retirement, your children's education, and your long-term financial security. So, the million-dollar question is, what should you do right now? Every investor watching this belongs to one of the three groups. You trade using technical analysis, you invest based on fundamentals, or you have no idea what's really going on. Let's go through each. If you are trading using technical analysis, stick to your trading plan. Exit with your stop loss when it's hit. Don't improvise, don't freeze. If you had no exit plan before entering, I hate to say this, but you're gambling. If you are investing using fundamental analysis, take a hard look at your portfolio. Are your holdings still fundamentally sound after factoring the higher business costs and disrupted supply chain? Avoid companies with negative free cash flow. This is not a time to be a hero. If your stocks haven't grown earnings or free cash flow in the last 10 years, they are not undervalued. They are dying. Inflation has already eaten them alive. That's why they have been collapsing for a decade. If you belong to the group of being confused or clueless, let's face it, investing can be overwhelming. But even if all your money is sitting in a bank, you are still investing in guaranteed losses. Thanks to inflation, every dollar you keep safe is suddenly eroding in value. With Trump's volatile term, we may be staring down the barrel of raging inflation for the next 4 to 8 years. So whether you are gambling in the market or bleeding value in a safe account, it's time to stop bleeding. Crises like this separate those who panic from those who prosper. Yes, the headlines are terrifying, but this is the moment real wealth is created for those who know where to look. Let me show you how I help my clients flip uncertainty into opportunity. I don't invest in stock tickers. I invest in businesses, the kind that will strive for the next 10 years from now, not just survive the next 10 months. The companies I seek have consistent free cash flow. Cash is king. Powerful moves like Facebook's unstoppable network effect. Resilience, they crush volatility and keep growing when others crumble. These are what we call compounders, elite businesses that compound wealth over time. Usually they are expensive, but right now, many are on fire sale. No, I'm not telling you to dump all your money in at once, but with a proper strategy, one that spreads your capital wisely over time. You can seize this window and position yourself miles ahead of the pack. That's where I come in. If you want a no-obligation conversation on how to invest $200,000 of your money in compounders or review your current portfolio, subscribe to my newsletter. You will get valuable tips and direct access to contact me personally. Don't let your fear destroy your future. Now is the time to raise above the noise. Invest wisely and build a future that's inflation-proof, crisis-proof, and full of freedom. I'm Wilfred Ling. Let's talk soon.